She's making our traditional gudok. It's called gudok. We're just enjoying. That one is chicken curry. It's looking so hot. Some people are there. This is called nong khai. That one. That one is the waterfall, Bormora waterfall. See, these ladies are doing washing the dry fish. See, look. So we're making gudok. Just preparing for boiling through bamboo. This is bamboo hole. This hole is so nice. That one is nong khai. See here, apple, lemon, as well as onion and garlic. Not garlic actually, yeah, garlic. See, some are making for son. See, myself, Kishan, Rupini. I'm just looking so beautiful. See waterfall. That side, this waterfall. See, sunlight can't pass here because here. Waterfall. It's so dark space. There is no light. Here we can hearing the water falling sound. We cannot visible, but it's too deep from here. If you want to see, I'll zoom. Yeah. Water is so clean. You can see inside the fish. There's so many fish. See, roaming here and there. See, fish. See, big fish. See, fish. Did you see? So many fish are there. Yes, you can see the fish going roaming here and there. See, fish. See. You can see here so many fish, small fish. See, our chicken almost right, looking very beautiful and looking so tasty curry. See, we came through this way. There is like you can see here this one anaconda as well as King Kong. See, we used to see here King Kong and monkeys and other snakes like anaconda. See, that one is those monkey, they used to work through these trees. Here, like so clean water. See, one ghost. Oh, see, I'm working through water. Nice place. If you go deeper and deeper, you can find a monkey as well as big King Kong. See, I can't go anymore because snake may be there and deers and other this one jungly. See, water, so clean water. I'm here myself. I'm the cameraman. See, again I'll go to our this one picnic place. See, before here people used to stay here their house, but because of animals they can stay here. See, Lengcur, buka. Lengcur de baba. See, you can find here so many a butterfly. See, butterfly. See butterfly here also. See, see, I'm walking through a river. So nice. See, my leg is visible. My leg is visible. It we are staying. The place is Barumura waterfall. Here we're making gudok as well as chicken curry. Still not ripened. See. See, we're making through a bamboo shoot. We're burning with bamboo shoot. Bamboos. See. See our traditional banana leaf. We used to take through this banana trees. We used to take rice through this banana trees. See, some people are looking phone, playing phone. Nasi di ba? Mayo nasi yang toko. See. Okay. Bye bye.